Have you ever felt like you're missing out on powerful moments to manifest wealth? Like the universe is giving you signs, but you don't know how to use them? What if I told you that 11:11 p.m. during a full moon is one of the most powerful portals for attracting money and abundance in 2025? This isn't just a coincidence. It's a hidden key that mystics, numerologists, and ancient spiritual traditions have understood for centuries. In this video, you'll discover how to harness the energy of 11:11 and the full moon to unlock financial opportunities, align with wealth frequencies, and attract prosperity faster than ever before. But here's the catch. Most people overlook this rare combination, losing the chance to tap into its full potential. Don't make that mistake. Stay until the end, because I'll also share a powerful Buddhist affirmation that will elevate your abundance frequency instantly. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you attract money forever. Let's begin. Most people go about their nights unaware that they are passing by a golden opportunity, a cosmic gateway that could shift their financial reality forever. But those who understand the power of synchronicity and lunar energy know that this rare alignment holds the key to unlocking abundance. Throughout history, mystics and scholars have recognized specific times and celestial events as powerful catalysts for change. 11:11 has long been regarded as a moment of universal alignment, a time when our thoughts manifest faster, when doors open effortlessly, and when the energy of creation reaches its peak. Pair this with the full moon, a phase known for amplifying intentions and bringing desires to completion, and you have the perfect formula for manifesting financial breakthroughs. But here's the problem. Most people miss out on these moments. They don't realize that timing matters when it comes to manifestation. They set intentions randomly, hoping for the best, without aligning themselves with the powerful forces at play. That's why many struggle to attract money. They're simply not using the right tools at the right time. Numbers have always held deep spiritual significance, but few are as mysterious and powerful as 11:11. If you've ever looked at the clock and noticed 11:11 appearing repeatedly, it's not just a coincidence. It's a universal wake-up call, a signal that your thoughts are aligning with a higher frequency. But what happens when this moment of synchronicity occurs at exactly 11:11 p.m. during a full moon? It transforms into a gateway, an energetic portal where manifestation power intensifies. In numerology, 11 is a master number, symbolizing intuition, spiritual awakening, and alignment with your highest self. When doubled to 11:11, its energy becomes exponentially stronger, representing a moment where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thinnest. It's a cosmic alignment, a brief yet powerful window where your thoughts, desires, and intentions are instantly magnified. But what makes 11:11 p.m. different from 11:11 a.m.? The nighttime holds a different kind of energy. As the world quiets down and distractions fade, the subconscious mind becomes more receptive. Your brain shifts into deeper states, making it easier to reprogram limiting beliefs and align with abundance. This is why manifesting at night, especially at 11:11 p.m., is far more effective than during the day. Beyond numerology, many spiritual traditions consider repeating numbers to be messages from the universe, signs that you are on the right path. Seeing 11:11 at night means your energy is in perfect alignment with something greater, and if you harness this moment intentionally, you can step into a higher financial reality. But the real power of 11:11 p.m. isn't just about recognizing its presence, it's about knowing what to do with it. Simply seeing the number is like standing in front of a door. To enter, you must take action. And when this portal aligns with the energy of the full moon, the impact is multiplied. The full moon has been revered for centuries as a time of power, transformation, and abundance. But what if I told you that its energy isn't just mystical, it's scientifically and spiritually proven to amplify manifestation? When the moon reaches its peak, everything intensifies: emotions, intuition, and most importantly, intentions. This is why countless ancient traditions use the full moon for prosperity rituals, believing it to be the ultimate force for expansion. One of the key reasons the full moon is so powerful is its effect on water. The moon's gravitational pull influences the tides, and since the human body is made up of nearly 60% water, it's no surprise that lunar energy affects us on a deep, subconscious level. Just as the ocean responds to the moon's cycle, so do our thoughts, emotions, and energetic vibrations. This is why people often experience heightened intuition, vivid dreams, or emotional breakthroughs during a full moon. It acts as a mirror, reflecting back whatever energy we hold within. But how does this connect to money manifestation? The full moon is a time of expansion and completion. In the same way that it causes the tides to rise, it also amplifies whatever intentions you set. If you focus on abundance, wealth, and financial success, the full moon magnifies those desires, accelerating your manifestations. However, this also means that if you focus on lack, fear, or doubt, those emotions will be amplified as well. This is where many people go wrong. They unintentionally reinforce scarcity instead of wealth. Throughout history, people have understood that the full moon is a wealth magnet. Farmers used its cycles to determine the best time for planting and harvesting. Traders and merchants made major financial decisions based on lunar phases, and even today, many successful entrepreneurs schedule important launches around the full moon. Why? Because when the moon is full, energy moves faster. What you focus on becomes reality more quickly than at any other time. Now, imagine combining this power of expansion with the portal of 11:11 p.m. If the full moon is the ultimate amplifier and 11:11 p.m. is the gateway to manifestation, then together they create a rare cosmic supercharge for wealth attraction. But why does this combination work so powerfully? And more importantly, how can you tap into it to attract money effortlessly? Let's break it down. If the full moon is a magnet for abundance and 11:11 p.m. is a gateway for manifestation, then their combination is nothing short of a cosmic supercharge for wealth attraction. This is the moment when the universe is at its most receptive state, where the energy of expansion and alignment merge into one powerful portal, but only those who recognize and harness it can fully step into its wealth-attracting potential. So, what makes this alignment so powerful? First, let's break down the energy mechanics at play. The full moon amplifies everything. It heightens emotions, intuition, and intention. It acts as a magnifier, taking whatever energy you project and expanding it into the universe. Meanwhile, 11:11 p.m. is an energetic portal, a precise moment when spiritual frequencies align with our subconscious mind, making it easier to program wealth consciousness and remove energetic blockages. Together, they create the perfect balance: expansion, the moon, and alignment, 11:11. But why does this specific combination work? Because it synchronizes two key forces: lunar cycles and numerology. The moon's gravitational pull has been scientifically linked to human behavior, sleep patterns, and even financial cycles. Throughout history, people have used full moons to set financial intentions, from ancient merchants closing high-value deals to spiritual leaders performing abundance rituals. Now add the frequency of 11:11, an already powerful symbol of manifestation, and the result is a gateway where your wealth energy reaches its peak. Think of it this way. The full moon is like an amplifier, and 11:11 p.m. is the exact moment to press play on your manifestation. If you know how to properly channel this energy, you can send a clear, unstoppable wealth signal into the universe. But if you ignore it, you're letting an incredibly powerful opportunity slip through your fingers. Now, this isn't about wishful thinking. It's about harnessing the natural energies that are already present and using them to your advantage. If you align yourself with this powerful timing, you can shift your financial energy and attract opportunities that might have otherwise remained out of reach. But how do you actually use this rare portal? What specific steps should you take to ensure that your manifestation works? The key lies in a step-by-step ritual designed to sync your energy with this cosmic force. Let's go through exactly what you need to do to activate the 11:11 p.m. full moon portal and bring wealth into your life. But first, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for powerful insights into Buddhist teachings, the law of attraction, astrology, numerology, and spiritual growth. Your support helps us bring you more life-changing content. Comment below, I claim unlimited wealth and money flowing effortlessly to me in 2025. This simple affirmation is your first step to aligning with the universe's prosperity. When you declare it, you activate the energy of success and financial freedom in your life. Now that you understand why 11:11 p.m. during a full moon is a rare manifestation portal, it's time to activate it. If done correctly, this ritual will allow you to send a powerful, energetic request to the universe, accelerating the manifestation of money, financial opportunities, and abundance. Step 1. Set your wealth intention. Manifestation begins with intention, but vague goals lead to vague results. Most people say things like, "I want to be rich," or "I need more money." But the universe doesn't respond well to uncertainty. Instead, you must define a clear financial intention. At exactly 11:11 p.m., under the light of the full moon or near a window where the moonlight touches you, take a deep breath and write down your money goal in present tense as if it has already happened. Example: I effortlessly attract $10,000 into my life through unexpected opportunities. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. My financial success is guaranteed. This step is crucial because the full moon amplifies written intentions, making them far more powerful than fleeting thoughts. Step 2. The full moon money visualization technique. Once your intention is written, close your eyes and visualize yourself already wealthy. But don't just see it, feel it. The stronger the emotion, the faster your manifestation becomes reality. Imagine yourself receiving a large deposit into your bank account. Feel the excitement of financial freedom, buying what you want without stress. Picture yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, or helping loved ones with ease. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination, and the full moon's energy strengthens this visualization, sending a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Step 3. Speak the manifestation at exactly 11:11 p.m. Words carry frequency, and speaking your intention aloud at the exact moment of 11:11 p.m. seals the manifestation process. Stand under the full moon, hold your written intention, and repeat an affirmation of wealth with full conviction. Money flows effortlessly into my life. I am financially free and abundant. The universe provides me with unlimited prosperity. Wealth comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. You can say this once or repeat it multiple times. The key is to feel the words as if they are already true. Step 4. Seal the energy with gratitude and letting go. The final step is crucial. You must thank the universe and let go of any attachment to the outcome. Why? Because desperation repels abundance. Take a deep breath. Look at the full moon and say, I am grateful for the wealth that is already mine. The universe is always working in my favor. Then release the intention. Fold the paper and place it under a moonlit crystal in a manifestation journal, or simply let it go. Trust that the portal has been activated. If done correctly, this ritual allows you to step into the wealth frequency using the most powerful cosmic energies available. But most people unknowingly sabotage their manifestations without realizing it. Now that you know how to activate the 11:11 p.m. full moon portal, it's important to understand what not to do. Many people unknowingly block their own manifestations, preventing money from flowing into their lives. If you've ever tried manifesting wealth but saw little to no results, one of these mistakes could be the reason. Mistake number 1. Doubting the process. One of the most powerful forces in manifestation is belief. If you perform the ritual but secretly doubt whether it will work, you're sending mixed signals to the universe. Doubt cancels out manifestation energy. The key is to trust the process, even if you don't immediately see results. Mistake number 2. Focusing on lack instead of abundance. The universe amplifies whatever you focus on. If you constantly think, I don't have enough money or I need more wealth, you are reinforcing the vibration of scarcity. Instead, shift your mindset to, I am financially abundant. Money flows to me effortlessly. Mistake number 3, ignoring universal signs. After performing the 11:11 p.m. full moon ritual, the universe will start sending signs and opportunities, but many people miss them. Financial abundance doesn't always appear as cash out of nowhere. It can come as a sudden job opportunity, a new business idea, a chance encounter with someone who can help you, an unexpected financial blessing. Be open to receiving in different ways. The universe works in mysterious ways, and money can manifest in unexpected forms. Mistake number 4. Negative self-talk about money. Your words shape your reality. If you constantly say things like, money is hard to get, or I'll never be rich, you are programming your subconscious to block financial abundance. Speak wealth into existence. Use affirmations like, I am a magnet for money. Wealth flows to me in unlimited ways. My financial success is inevitable. By avoiding these mistakes, you allow the 11:11 p.m. full moon portal to work in your favor. Now that you've activated the 11:11 p.m. full moon portal and removed any blocks to wealth manifestation, there's one final step to seal your alignment with financial abundance. This is an ancient Buddhist affirmation designed to raise your vibration and attune you to the frequency of prosperity. In Buddhist teachings, mantras and affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming the mind and attracting what we seek. Repeating sacred words with full belief creates an energetic shift, drawing abundance effortlessly. At exactly 11:11 p.m., either under the full moon or in a quiet, meditative space, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat this affirmation 3 times. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. The universe flows wealth into my life effortlessly. I am one with prosperity. Feel the words vibrating through your body. Visualize golden light surrounding you, attracting financial blessings from all directions. The key is not just saying it, but believing it as absolute truth. You can repeat this affirmation daily, but its power is magnified under the full moon at 11:11 p.m. This simple yet profound practice will align your energy with abundance, dissolve limiting beliefs, and allow money to flow to you with ease. If this video resonated with you, comment below, I claim unlimited wealth and money flowing effortlessly to me in 2025. By typing it, you're sending a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on ancient wisdom, Buddhist teachings, and the law of attraction. And don't forget to share this with someone who could use a little more prosperity in their life. Let's spread the energy of abundance together. See you in the next video.